I'm often asked, what can Blankenship Massey Associates do that other law firms, other attorneys do not do? And I think the answer is a couple things. One is we're very thorough. We're going to be in constant communication with you to find out about your injuries, find out about your treatment. We're going to talk to you about that quite a bit. And we're going to know the facts of your case. The second thing is we're going to get to know you. We'll talk to you on the phone, we'll have you in the office, and we will come out and talk to you as well at your home, because we want to see how this accident has impacted you. I want to talk to not just you, I want to talk to your family members. I want to talk to your friends. I want to find out what you were able to do before the accident that you can't do now. What could you do for fun before the accident you no longer can do? What sort of things did you do for enjoyment that you can't do as often, or you just can't even do at all? We need to see the impact of the life, because an injury involves not just the physical damage to your body, it also has damage to your life. And that has a value, and we need to know those things. So we get to know those things about you so that we can really do an assessment of your case. The other question we hear a lot is, well, how long is this going to take? I've had a car wreck, I'm injured. How long is it going to take from beginning to end? And there's no good, clear answer to that, to be honest with you. The question's going to be really depending on your medical treatment. If you get the medical treatment you need and you're done in 6 weeks, we can get your case resolved pretty quickly. On the other hand, if your treatment goes on for 6 months or a year or more, we don't want to resolve your case at that point, because again, we need to know how badly you've been hurt. And if you're still treating, that means you've not recovered from your injuries. And we need to know that before we can put a value on your case, before we can try to resolve the case either by settlement or by trial. We can't tell you, yes, this can be wrapped up in 6 weeks. We can't tell you this can be wrapped up in 6 months, because it's going to depend on you. And it's going to depend on your body and your recovery, how well you recover and how quickly you recover, or how, unfortunately, sometimes how you don't recover. That's going to impact how long the case is going to take. We will do everything we can to move the case forward, and we'll be diligent in communicating with you about it. But a lot of it's going to depend on what happens with you from a medical standpoint.